Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus protein shakes. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which option best suits your dietary needs and lifestyle. Huel is designed as a complete meal, providing a broad spectrum of nutrients. Protein shakes, conversely, focus on delivering a high dose of protein, ideal for post-workout recovery or supplementing protein intake. Let's dive into the specifics of each. When we look at the nutritional breakdown, Huel stands out as a comprehensive option. It's formulated to provide a balanced mix of carbohydrates, fats, and protein, along with all 27 essential vitamins and minerals. Protein shakes, on the other hand, are much simpler. They are engineered to maximize protein delivery, often with minimal other nutrients, making them excellent for specific fitness goals. Consider your overall dietary needs. Understanding their best use cases helps clarify their roles. Huel is perfect for those seeking a convenient, nutritionally complete meal when time is short, or for managing calorie intake effectively. It's a full meal solution. Protein shakes are best utilized for targeted protein supplementation, such as immediately after a workout to aid muscle repair and growth, or to boost daily protein intake. Your goals dictate the choice. Finally, let's consider cost and convenience. Huel, while appearing more expensive upfront, can be quite economical when replacing full meals, saving you time and money on groceries. Protein shakes are typically less expensive per serving if you're only looking for protein. Both offer high convenience. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for financial wisdom, truly worth exploring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.